Improving practices. The object in root cause analysis is to ask, what problems does the team have with the project delivery? Or, where are the impediments in the project? For example, in some cases, communication is a problem. In other teams, there are far too many defects in the product they have delivered, and yet other teams, there are people not fulfilling their roles or not fully understanding them. It is very important to establish where these problems are so they can be solved within the remit of Scrum. The common way to set about solving this is to ask, which Scrum practices can be enhanced or added to aid delivery of the project? For example, if the problem is communication, ask, is the stand-up or any other time boxes being run effectively? I recommend making sure that any issues raised at the daily Scrum are dealt with in some way directly after the meeting. Do not get me wrong, this does not mean that you can solve the issue on the spot, but you can at least start the process of solving it and make sure it is not forgotten. If everything else has been explored, maybe some kind of a routine meeting, email, or other form of message delivery that everybody can see and absorb is the answer.